Monash University is Australia's largest research-intensive university. We have a number of campuses within Australia, but we also have a number of campuses around the world.
Monash, in deciding to build a CAVE2, first went to our collaborators and partners at EVL at University of Illinois at Chicago. We worked with them to understand the technology and determine that it was the right choice for us. When it came time to choose who we would build the cave with, Mechdyne were the obvious choice. The technology has been licensed to Mechdyne by EVL, and Mechdyne have experience in building systems like this.
We see the cave as functioning as a modern viewfinder for a very, very large microscope. The CAVE2 facility allows our researchers to be essentially dropped into the middle of their data sets, where they can walk around those data sets and rely on their intuition and their scientific background to make new discoveries. One particular appealing feature of this CAVE2 facility is the fact that it can bring 3D objects and project them in front of the screens and into the interior of the facility itself.
Being in a university, we of course have a very large student population. In fact, Monash I think is the largest student population in Australian universities. And so we're very keen to get students involved in the cave. Students are the ones with the ideas for the next generation. They're the ones with the time and the energy to put into doing new things in the cave too. The effort and the value that the builders who came out from Mechdyne put into the system, and the pride they had in their work and the system they put in front of us.
Monash University over the past 5 years has embarked on a strategy to build the modern microscope, a microscope for 21st century scientific discovery.
Monash chose to work with Mechdyne to build the CAVE2 because we had an existing relationship with EVL at the University of Illinois at Chicago, and they had licensed their technology to Mechdyne. So Mechdyne are the place you go to buy a CAVE2. Installing the CAVE2 at Monash has brought a lot of potential projects to light who might use this kind of facility.
The possibilities with this technology are limitless. We can work with the smallest atom right through to an entire galaxy.